Birla Global University, located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, has received an overall rating of 4.3 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the MBA course offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements rated 3.9 stars. According to NIRF 2025, 178 students graduated from the 2-year PG program in 2023-24. Of these, 128 students secured placements, and the placement rate stood at 72%. The median salary stood at 6.06 lakh per annum, showing 19% decrease from 2022. Top recruiters included Accenture, Deloitte, Infosys, KPMG, HDFC Bank, offering roles such as management trainee, business analyst, and marketing manager. The highest package for 2024 academic session stood at 16.22 lakh per annum. Compared to the neighboring Sri Sri University, the median package offered at Birla Global University is lower. Between their first and second year, students complete a 2-month summer internship and 2 to 3 short-term projects with opportunities from companies like EY, Tata Steel, PwC, KPMG, Coca-Cola, and Britannia. The MBA program at Birla School of Management, rated 4.2 out of 5 stars on Shiksha.com, offers 6 specializations in marketing, finance, HR, operations, digital marketing, and business analytics from the second semester. Admission requires a UG degree with 50% marks and a valid CAT, XAT, GMAT, CMAT, MAT score, followed by GDPI or a comprehensive PI and written ability test. Speaking about the cost, the fees for the 2-year MBA program is 10 lakh rupees, while the hostel fees for the same duration is 3.28 lakh rupees. Now let's talk about the infrastructure, rated 4.5 stars. The 30-acre air-conditioned Wi-Fi-enabled campus features smart classrooms, multimedia studio, auditorium, seminar rooms, the library, and English language lab. Students highly appreciated the hostel facilities and nutritious daily meals with occasional special servings. The sports facilities include cricket, football, basketball, and volleyball. Moving on now to the faculty and course, rated 4.4 stars. Most faculty members hold PhDs and are recognized for their teaching quality and support. Students must maintain 75% attendance to appear for exams. The institute has global partnerships with Austin PA State University, Kozminskin University, and Multimedia University, promoting student and faculty exchange and collaborative research. Turning our attention to campus life, which is rated 4.3 stars. The campus features committees, student clubs, and events like BGU Annual Cultural Fest. Students also benefit for international and domestic conferences, seminars, workshops, and industry tours. Lastly, Birla Global University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on Birla Global University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.